Welcome to Doplac YouTube channel. Last time we have made video about how you can connect your Gmail to your Doplac.com account using app password. Today I'll be showing you how you can connect your Google Workspace to your Doplac.com account using OAuth. I have signed into my Doplac.com account. At the same time I have signed into my Google Workspace admin console. So first I'm going to account under Outreach in my Doplac.com account. Click on account. To add your Google Workspace account, click on add more account, choose Google, and here it is. Before connecting your Google Workspace to your Doplac.com account, make sure the IMAP of the account is enabled. So I'm going to skip this option at this moment to make the video short for you. I hope you will be able to enable the IMAP for your Google Workspace account. So I'm going to click on yes, my IMAP has been enabled. And here it is, the option first one I'm going to choose auth, and here it is. Now you have to actually connect your Doplac.com account first with your Google Workspace account. So I'm going to copy the ID from here. Now I'm going to my Google Workspace admin console, click on security, click on access and data control, click on app control, and here it is. Under the app control, click on manage the third-party app access. And here it is. As my Doplac.com is already connected to my Google Workspace account, that's why it's showing here. To add a new app, just click on add app. If the Doplac.com is not connected to your Google Workspace account, then just click on add app. Choose the first one, auth app, name or client ID. And here it is. Paste the ID you have copied from your Doplac.com account here. So I'm going to paste it here. Search for the app. And here it is. This is your Doplac.com app that you have to first verify with your Google Workspace account. So just click on select and then choose both. Then click on select again. Choose the organization you are actually going to connect the app. Then just click on continue. You have to click on trust. So I'm going to click on trusted. Then just continue. Okay. Click on finish. If it's connected already to your Google Workspace admin console, then you don't have to connect it again. Just I have shown you how you can actually connect your Google Workspace. Now I'm going to my Doplac.com account, or I have already verified my Doplac.com account with my Google Workspace admin console. I just have to click on login. And here it is. Choose the Google Workspace account you want to connect, or specifically choose the account you first verify your Doplac.com account with. So I'm going to choose this account. Click on continue. Click on allow. And here it is. This is the very simple way you can connect your Google Workspace account to your Doplac.com account, and you can connect all the user under the account with your Doplac.com account very easily. This is the very simple way. You don't have to again verify your Doplac.com account with your Google Workspace admin console as you already added it before. So it's all about today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.